Hey guys, I'm going to show you an unboxing video of the Kidde ionization smoke alarm with a escape light, and it has a replace now sticker, a standard Kidde Nighthawk battery. So let's open it up. Here's the standard Nighthawk battery. Here's the alarm itself. It doesn't have a manual, by the way. The model number is a kn-Sod-165-N. Here's the Nighthawk logo, a Kidde logo, and this is made in 2006. So here's the escape light. Here's the button, the message saying press and hold to test weekly, and here's the Kidde logo. So let's put a battery inside of it. It requires one battery, so I'm going to put a battery in. So let's give it a test. Okay, you can hear a chirp. So now I'm gonna hit it. Now I'm gonna do a test. Beep, 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 beep. And sorry, the light is blowed out. Let's see, what does it look? Here's the back of the packaging. Purchased by Nighthawk. So this is the unboxing and review of the Kidde Nighthawk KN Sod-165 160 something N. That's it.